Hello there, my Jafra friends. Hey, thanks so much for using Jafra. And it's Vickie Hacking, your Jafra leader, and I'm just reaching out to you on St. Patrick's Day. Hope you're having a great day, but I'll probably not send this until tomorrow. But I just want to go over some things with you. I want to just tell you a story. Okay, here's my little analogy. I used it forever while I was actively doing parties. Okay, so let's just say that I'm going to give you a new car. Okay. You get to choose any car you want. Now, I myself would probably choose a Rolls Royce because one time Jafra sent me on a trip and I was in Monte Carlo and we went to that beautiful casino out there in the parking lot. And of course, there were lots of Rolls Royces in the parking lot. And I found a yellow one with a beautiful interior. It was a convertible. And I said, that's the car I would like to have. So that's my car. But let's just say you get to choose any car. So right now, mentally, choose a car. Now, here's the catch. You have to drive the car for the rest of your life. No trading it in, no getting another car. That car has to last you for your entire life. Okay, now here's my question. How are you going to take care of that car? You're going to let the kids eat ice cream, grandchildren eat ice cream in the car? Are you going to make sure that it gets serviced properly? Yes, you are going to take care of that car because you know it has to last forever. So, my analogy is God gave you one skin, one face, and it had to last you forever. So, I'm thinking because you're a Jafra consultant that you're probably taking good care of your skin. Most of you that when I talk to you, you give me the same thing. Nobody can believe I'm my age. I just don't look like my age. And when I go to my reunion, I look hands down 15, 20 years younger than everyone there. So I know that you're going to tell me that story because I call you on the phone and that's what you tell me. And we all use Jafra. But I want you to think about the car analogy. Okay? Get a new car, has to last you forever. Well, you just told me you'd take care of it. But guess what? You did get one face and you got one skin, and it has lasted you and it will last you all of your life. And so, why would you not take care of it? So, that's my analogy, and I'm sticking to it. Okay, now I would like to share my computer with you and just show you something. So, I'm going to just kind of go over here for a minute and do a little change around here. I'm going to go over here and share my screen. And here we go. Share screen. I love to tell you what I'm doing. Okay, so I went in here to the Jafra site. Okay, and when you go into your Jafra site, you can see that right here at the top, this is Jafra Biz. They've got all these little things that tell you what's going on. In fact, you could just briefly go through it. This is the one I want you to pay attention to right here. Okay, let's see if we can make it stop. Okay, let's go back to it. But this is the one. Jafra has a new skincare regimen. Okay, this is very affordable. Okay, so when you go into this Jafra site, Jafra Biz, this is where you're going to place your order. Okay, this is not your Jafra.com, your website. This is where you place your orders. And by the way, like within weeks, this is all going to be one home. Everything is going to be under one umbrella. So watch for it. And if you don't have an email address registered with Jafra, your Jafra ordering will come to an abrupt halt. You won't be able to order because it's not going to accept you. They're going to only accept you to place an order with your email address, not your case number. Okay, so that's coming up like in the next few weeks. So hope you have an email address because that's going to ask you for the email address. So here we go, and your password. Okay, so here we go. I don't even think you need a password. You need an email address. So I'm going to go in here and show you right here that when I go into my Jafra, when I go in there, this is what I do. I go right in here, over here. It's not behaving. So let me move this down and go in and see where it says shop. right here, it'll say shop. And what I would like you to do is always, when you're placing an order, go over here to special offers. Okay. Now, when you go to special offers, you're going to see that new skincare. This is so amazing. Jafra has a new skincare system which comes with all four of these products, and you're going to be able to get it for what? Not 59, but would be 29.50. Okay, 50% off because you're only placing 50% orders. But just wanted you to see that. I myself haven't tried it yet, but I'm hoping that I would do that this month. I want to know, what does it feel like? I'd love you to try it. And you know what? It's not going to be Defy. It can't be, but it's not going to be the new Nova Marine because it can be, because of the products and ingredients are so expensive. But this is a very affordable skincare for your friends and for your, so why not order a couple of them and give them away to some people that you want to start with Jafra, because they could start taking care of their skin at a very reasonable price. Okay, that's the new skincare that has just come out, and there is a video on it. But I just want you to know this is what you want to look at first. And mentally, always look at these prices with the 50% off price in your mind. So cut it in half. Look at it, cut it in half. And of course, your precious protein is here, which, that is a fabulous product. If you take baths, a few drops in the bathtub, and it's just a great light oil to use after shower or after bath while your skin's still wet. Put that oil all over. It's great on your hair. When you're giving yourself an oil treatment, it's a great product. So I'm looking down here and just kind of going over the one here. I hope all of you are using the Royal Jelly Lifting Concentrate, because that's something. And here's the Royal Jelly Body Complex. You know me, I take that body complex and I add some oil to it. So I would add precious protein to it, or my new thing is the iris oil. And I add that and make it more, even more lubricant, because the Royal Jelly body complex is so wonderful all over the body. But then, of course, here's your facial Royal Jelly Lifting Concentrate. I cannot do without it. In fact, I'm saving these Nova Marine bottles or the serum bottles that have the pumper on them, and I'm using them to put these Royal Jelly Lifting Concentrates into this bottle, because I don't like having to use the little vials. So I take the vials and empty them into this new Nova Marine bottle, which I love. I don't throw these bottles away because they're glass and they're very, very nice containers. But anyways, that's what I would do, is save those bottles. I think the lifting on anything in glass that has a pumper on it, you can use to put those in. All right, now I would like to talk to you. I'm going to stop the share. I wanted to make sure that you're remembering to go right over here to Last Chance also. Some really great things that are in Last Chance. Always look at Last Chance and check it out, because of the fact that prices are so, I mean, come on, for a hand cream for Christmas. Okay, 250. Just take a look at all these. I really like this. I ordered this. This is a beautiful eyeshadow. Love that eyeshadow. And then, of course, I really ordered this because this is your a liquid stain, the lip stain. Be careful on the colors, but they have a really light one in there. Now you know that you have to do the quick view if you want to see. And here's the other thing. You've got to actually go in there and click on, you have to actually go in and place one in your cart to be able to see all the colors. So for example, I have to add it to the cart. And when I say add to the cart, then they give me the colors right here. Here are the colors. So the one that I like is this glowing one. It's quite light, but again, I'm Auburn. So this one here is, one's really pink. This one here is very, very pink, radiant, and it's great for anyone that's blonde or whatever. You know how I love these because they're very shiny. Okay, so I'm going to stop the share, and I'm going to just say thank you for ordering Jafra. Hope you enjoy our new skincare line. And I also wanted to talk to you about that $400 order again, because remember, if you place an order for, let's say, $300, you're going to be paying about, well, you're just going to be paying $210 for a $300 order. Why? When you're not getting your discount, it costs you more to place a $300 order than it does to place a $400 order. That just doesn't set well with me. And I look at all of your orders for the month, and there's always two or three of you that order 300 or 270 or $250, and you left $100 in free Jafra sitting there on the table. So it drives me crazy. And you could give Jafra away for Christmas this year or whatever. Just don't do it, because you're just not getting your benefits. I mean, who wants to leave $100 in product just because they couldn't add more products? So remember, when you check out, always look at that see more. The see more is important, and be sure you sign up for Jafra text messages, because Jafra sends out twice a week now. They send out special deals, and you will never know about the sale prices. They sent one out today. So they send them out and they give you deep, deep discounts, and you'll never know about them if you haven't signed up for text messaging. And you do that right there before you place an order. It's got a place there. Or go to your profile and check right there under your profile. Sign up for text messages. This is Vickie Hacking. I've used Jafra now 59 years, and I do not look my age. I don't feel my age, but think, if you're using Jafra, remember, take care of that new car that God gave you, that face that God gave you. And remember, you're driving it every single day. And if you're not taking care of it, then you're looking your age. That's all I can say. And I know you're not looking your age because you're using Jafra. This is Vickie. If you need help placing an order, you just call me, text me. You know, I like text better than I do voice message. Okay, so don't email me for help. Text message me for help. Okay, or call me, because I'm on my phone. I've always usually got it with me, and I'm always looking at it. I'm always seeing who's text me. Emails, I just don't see them like I should, especially the ones where I send out my newsletters and stuff. I don't look at them like I should. So if you want to get a hold of me, want me to help you place an order, having a hard time with something, just let me know. I'm here to help you and serve as my consultants. Thank you. Wish you a very happy Easter. Hope you had a nice St. Patrick's Day. And I will be seeing you next month. And congratulations to all of you that are in our newsletter right here. Thank you for placing your order, and happy anniversary to all of you that are celebrating an anniversary. It's right here in the newsletter attached. Bye.